Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I had a viewer request to do a complete disassembly of the Girsan 2311 mag out, empty. So I'll reposition the camera and we'll get to do the complete disassembly of the Girsan 2311. The screws or on the grip module here, those are false, fake, so don't try to unscrew those, okay? Other than that, that's pretty much the disassembly. Just make sure when you go back to reassembly that these grip screw here fits inside the frame, and there's this cutout flat part that needs to make sure that it's made up against the frame. Otherwise you're going to have some issue. But pretty much it. That's disassembly of the Girsan 2311. Reassembly is basically the same. If you would look at it as being like a 1911, plenty of video out there to reassemble, disassemble, but a viewer request to do a quick complete disassembly. Not very difficult to do. Just make sure that you are aware of where all the components are. Please leave me a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.